Damn, you're still good.
In this video, I'm gonna teach you the top strategies to beat opponents better than you. And by the end of this video, I'm gonna help Franklin beat me. And do you know how I'm gonna do that? Well, you're gonna find out. It's with these top 5 strategies. I'm gonna say the best one to last. The first thing you need to know, if you want to beat me by the end of this video, is don't feed your opponent's strengths. Do you know what my strength is?
Consistency.
I'll tell you what my strength is.
Okay.
Here, especially with the low roofs, is net shots. So my nets, whenever you come up and give me a slow net, you always hit a half-court shot and then I attack and win. If you watch all our gameplay, me playing anyone, that's how I win all my points. Okay. So now that you know my strength is to hit really tight nets to get you to lift, what do you want to do?
Flat nets.
Okay, sure. So in these rallies, we want to see what his intention is, okay? Ready? Show me your intention. Good. High serve's good. Come on. At least he has some intention. So if you see from that rally, if you hit to my back, I'm always gonna get to low. But when you hit it to my front, you see I'm always fighting for a front to get it high.
Okay.
So you need to do what?
Head to the back more.
Don't feed my strength.
Yeah, no nets, no nets.
Yeah. Trick number 2, control the front court.
Front court.
Okay. Controlling the front court is making sure I don't have opportunities to net. So what does controlling front court look like? In my scenario where my back court is weaker, you need to get the front court high and keep hitting it to the back. And you don't allow me to come to the front, okay? So you'll see in my gameplay, when I'm in the back, I like to hit down a lot so that when you come net, I come get the front, okay? But in this scenario, when I'm hitting down a lot, you have to make sure you are controlling the front. It's kind of like you're doing front court isolation, okay? You're moving me around and not letting me come up and get that offensive net shot. That make sense? Let's see. See, I've controlled the front court now. If you're ever gonna hit a slow shot over like that, you're always gonna give your opponent the control of the front court if your shot is too slow. The only time you can hit a slow shot is when you're super offensive. Never hit slow shots on the defensive, okay? Okay. One more. That was good. He got the net, he pushed me to the back. One more. Ooh, good shot. Those 2 points were kind of 2 and 1, right? Don't let me hit offensive shots, and you do that by controlling the front court. Strategy number 3, change the pace. When you play, you only have one pace. Fast, okay? But fast is ineffective because when you play fast, all your shots don't make me move. What you need to do is you need to play at a neutral pace most of the time. So, you watch any anime?
A bit. I used to.
Yeah, but do you know in animes, like, a lot of main characters learn not to use one shot and self-destruct. They learn how to like do 10%, 20%, 30%, but maintain it, right? You have to find out what your maintenance level is and play like that 80% of the time. And you only go fast when you're trying to get the point. What I need you to do right now, Franklin, so we're gonna do some rallies, okay? I'm not gonna try to kill him, I'm just gonna rally around. So I'm gonna play super neutral. You, unless you're going to win the point, do not inject speed, okay? You only go fast if you're sure that's gonna win the point. Otherwise, you play neutral as well. Ready? Do you get it?
Yeah.
Wow, answers. What was that? You injected speed into that super defensive shot.
I just missed it.
Of course you're gonna miss it. You're out of balance. The only time you inject is when you're perfectly in balance, okay? You don't eject out of balance ever. So first you have to stay in balance, then look for opportunities to inject.
Oh shit.
Do you see these? So he's not gonna be able to do it today. This is pretty hard for him. This is one of his biggest weaknesses. That serve, return, first of all, I was already in position. And yet he decided to hit a fast shot to me to kill himself. He should have just slowed that down to reset for an opportunity. So this is something Franklin doesn't know how to do, and it's a big weakness, is he doesn't know how to have a maintained pace that he can get everything and then inject to win. Every shot you hit, you're like trying to go for play of the days. You're not trying to win. So what do you want? You want to win, or you want a 12-second highlight clip?
A 12-second highlight clip.
Okay, keep playing like that then. Strategy number 4, you have to attack the movement. Do you know why this is important?
You make him move a bit more.
What?
If you make him move, you screw up more.
It's kind of like chess. You play chess.
No.
Chess, you never go like, you don't just take your king and slide it across the whole board and knock your king off, right?
Right.
That's against the rules. Well, also, yeah, you just can't do that. You gotta make openings for you to get the checkmate. Same thing in badminton. The equivalent of badminton openings is making your opponent move. Create openings on the court, okay? So does it make sense that you have to first move your opponent before you can win points? So does this make sense how it combines with the previous points?
Yeah, makes sense.
Play slow first before fast, because we need to move our opponents before we inject pace, okay? So, can you focus on moving me?
Got it.
You have to make me move. That's your primary goal here, okay? Show me.
Shoot.
So he made himself move there. I didn't move at all. Whoops. Did he make me move on that one? So. I kind of made myself move.
Shoot.
Yeah, good. One more. Were you thinking about making me move?
I think I should have cleared that one.
Yeah. Do you not see me standing where I am?
I didn't look
Standing right
backwards.
here. So, step 1 of make your opponent move. Look at where your opponent is, right? Strategy number 5. Whoa, that's good. Stay calm and extend the rally. Patience is what it is. So it really ties together everything. Slow, move your opponent, right? We don't even need to demo this one. Let's start putting it all together and see how you can apply it on me. There's only 2 things you need to remember to beat me. Number 1, move me around first before you try to win an attacking shot. Number 2, don't let me come up and keep hitting net shots. That's the only 2 things you need to remember. Can you try?
I'll try.
Let's play 7 points.
Oh.
Oh, what the? Why'd I hit a bad shot like that? So you see, you went fast and you didn't move me. Move. Oh. Oh. Oh, that was a good one. You moved me. Come on. Oh yeah.
Oy. Shit, that's a shot.
That's so in.
Outside.
Oh, that's lucky. So Franklin, using my strategies, you've beaten me today. Are you happy?
Sorta.
If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Get exclusive perks by joining our YouTube memberships.
For $2.99 a month.